Hi there, my awesome friends. I was about to go to bed. You like my bungalow? It's nice, right? But can you hear that noise? Yeti! You scared me. Next time, please give me a heads up. He's saying something. I've come to give you another chance. Ready to tackle the challenge? This time, you'll have to pick the correct word based on the tense I indicate, either present or past. Ready? What do you think? Of course I'm ready! Super ready! Okay, here it comes the first sentence. Yesterday, I blank. Very excited because I made a snowman. Okay, yesterday, I'm a bit puzzled, but I need to figure it out. I think that yesterday might be the reference, right? Yes. It's a key word. It's pointing the past. So that sentence is written in a past simple form. Today, I am excited. Yesterday, I was excited. Am I right? Yay! I'm right. Great! We got a tiny crystal. Good. Okay, now we have the second challenge. We blank in the snow and blank some angels on weekends. But there are no keywords here. Yeti, can you help me? How should I grade? How should I know what's going in there? All right. Okay, he's telling us we have to write this sentence in a past form. Past simple. And what verbs can we use? Okay, we have play and played, make and made. So we have to choose the past forms. We played, right? Remember? It's a regular verb. So we add the suffix ed, those tiny letters. And made, yeah. We are correct! Great! Okay, I'm about to get my wish. All right, we've got another one. Come on, give it to us. Today, I blank sledding on the snowy hill with my family. Today, yes, it's pointing a present situation. So I'm clear, it's happening now, not a past situation. But what is the verb? Okay, so we have two options. Go or went. If it's happening now, go, right? Yes! Okay, another song. We did it. Can we have our wishes? Yeah, we can have them. What would you wish?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, okay, again, and this time we keep learning with the past simple. Remember, the past simple is the form we use to talk about past situations, habits, okay, facts, yeah, something that happened in the past and it's finished. For example, today I buy apples, like I go to the supermarket and I buy them. And yesterday I bought apples. See that the past simple also for regular verbs, the form is for regular verbs, we need to add ed, like I play, I played. But for irregular forms are exceptions, like I buy, I bought. It's an irregular verb. So let's choose the right verb tense for each sentence and rewrite them below. Yesterday, okay, so here, let's pay attention to the hints. All right, yesterday. I am very excited, or I was. I was very excited because I made, yes, because I made a snowman. Yesterday is the hint. Yesterday points the past. So let's rewrite. Yesterday, I was very excited because I made a snowman. Yes? Okay, now we go for the next sentence. We played or play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. Okay, this, we play, it can be both. We can say ed or past or present because we don't have any hint. We play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. And I think that it makes more sense to point to talk and use the present as far as we don't have any hints. So I guess that the person should be talking in a present time. So we play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. Let's go. We play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. Today I go sledding on the snowy hill with my family, or today I went sledding on the snowy hill with my family. If it's a short, like past situation, could be went. But let's just use today as a present hint, and let's say today I go sledding on the snowy hill with my family. Today I go sledding on the snowy hill with my family. And last winter we learned to ice skate. Last winter if it's last winter points the past. So last winter we learned with ed, learned to ice skate. It's a past situation, yes? So let's keep remembering, people, past simple, past habits, and facts, truths, okay, that happened in the past, and the form for regular verbs ed, such as learned, for example, and played, or new forms such as was, made, or went. Yes? Good job, guys.